Assalamualaikum. I will highlight top 12 computer science technologies in 2020. First, first of all, we discuss top 5 technologies still in the market and we are working on it. Number 1, Big Data. Big data is a field that treats a way to analyze, systematically extract information from or otherwise deal with data sets that are too large or complex to be dealt with a traditional data processing applications. Number 2, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity or computer security or information security is the protection of computer systems and networks from the theft or damage to their hardware, software or electronic data, as well as from the dispersion and distraction of the services they provided. Number 3, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, sometimes called machine intelligence, is intelligence demonstrated by machines in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by human. Number 4, data science. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from many structured and unstructured data. Data science is related to data mining and also with big data. Number 5, cloud computing. Cloud computing is on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe the centers available to many users over the internet. Now I will discuss 5 trending technologies. A lot of people and companies want to work on them. Number 1, machine learning. It's application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically run and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn from themselves. Number 2, blockchain. Digital database containing information such as record of financial transactions that can be simultaneously used and shared with a large decentralized publicly accessed network. A distributed ledger that can record transactions between two parties efficiently and in a verifiable and permanent way. Number 3, augmented and virtual reality. Augmented reality adds digital elements to a live view, often by using the camera on a smartphone, and virtual reality implies a complete impression experience that shuts out the physical world. Number 4, edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm which brings computation and data storage closer to the location where it is needed to improve response time and save bandwidth. Number 5, Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. Future technologies, we also know about them. Number 1, 5G is designed to do a variety of things that can transform our lives, including giving us faster download speeds, low latency and more capacity and connectivity for billions of devices, especially in the area of virtual reality, IoT, and artificial intelligence. Number two, quantum computing. Quantum computer work perform calculation based on probability of object state before it is measured instead of just 1 second or more, which means they have the potential to process exponentially more big data compared to the classical computers.